Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're doing my Bump Box subscription unboxing, what are words, for the month of January. And yeah, let's just go ahead and dive into this. I don't know the price on this. I really need to look it up, but yeah, this is a Christmas gift, so I'm not entirely sure. I really need to look into that. Where does this open from? There we go. Here is what it looks like on the inside, if you can see in there. And then okay, and then there is a card. It tells you what the box is worth, and it does have prices, which I so appreciate. I hate it when they don't include prices in subscription unboxings, but let's go ahead and dive in with whatever this is right on top here. This is a body scrubber from After Spa. So it's just like a little squishy thing that you're supposed to use to scrub your body. I'm assuming it exfoliates. Yeah, for deep cleansing and exfoliation. This thing will cost you 10 bucks. It's not terrible. I mean, I always need a good exfoliation. I have super dry skin, so I'm down for that. This little guy is a wooden massager from Bump Life, and it retails for $15. Really? Really? I wouldn't pay $15 for this. I wouldn't even pay $5 for this. Yeah, no. Not excited about this. It does not feel great. This is honestly probably like something I would just give my kid as a toy. But yeah, no, I don't love that. Especially not for 15 bucks. Okay. Energize and Natural Body Lotion, Organic Lemon, Orange and White Grapefruit Essential Oils, Natural, Vegan, Cruelty-Free. Formulated for pregnancy. That's awesome. Okay, what do you smell like? This Energize lotion is $14.99. So nothing in here is like super expensive, which I appreciate. At least on this one. I don't remember last month if there was anything ridiculously expensive or not. I can't open it. There we go. That smells like nothing. I literally smell nothing. Oh, there we go. Okay, once you rub it in, you can smell it. Very orangey, lemony. I do like that though. It feels nice. Feels a little, almost like it doesn't want to move. Like it doesn't want to sink in, kind of. I don't know. I'll have to experiment with that more. Okay. What else is in here? There's something at the bottom here. It's Really 10 Months Special Delivery, a collection of stories from birth to birth. Okay, so basically this is like a collection of stories about people's pregnancy, labor, and delivery. So that's cool. I might read this, we'll see. This retails for $15.95, which makes this the most expensive item in the box. And now there is one last thing, which is in this little white box. I flew through this video. I'm so sorry. We'll go more in depth in things at the end here. Okay, this feels like a mug. This is a mug. It's like a tin kind of material. Coffee, Chaos, and Cuddles. I don't like coffee at all, but it's cute. I might give this to a friend that drinks coffee more than I do, because I am not a coffee person at all, which this probably sounds crazy to a lot of you, because I know a lot of people who live on coffee. I am not one of them, but it is a cute cup. I won't use it really. It retails for $14.99. It's called a campfire mug, but yeah. Okay, quick recap. Campfire mug. It's cute. I just won't use it. This thing is not worth it at all, in my opinion. What is this thing called again? The wooden massager from Bump Life. Like, it doesn't feel good. It doesn't really feel like anything. I don't know. And it makes an annoying squeak sound, but it's fun to do this with. So maybe if you have a kid. The book is cool. I just know myself, and realistically, I'm probably not going to read this. If I do, I will probably won't finish it, but it's a cool thought, and I think a lot of people would probably really enjoy something like this. And what else did we get? Oh, the lotion. I am very excited about the lotion. I think it smells really nice, and I love that it's formulated for pregnancy. So that's it, you guys. This was the quickest unboxing of my life. Don't forget to like this video before you go, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future unboxings. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.